Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ads International Preschool. In this video, I will show you some activities through which children can understand about shapes more easily. It also enhances the eye-hand coordination, fine motor skills, visual discrimination power and observation power in children. These activities are meant for toddler level kids and nursery kids. By the time they reach LKG, UKG, there won't be any chances that they will have confusion in the shapes concept. Then also in LKG and UKG, we will make them to do much more activities about shapes. Now we can start the different ideas so that the kids can learn more about shapes easily. First, start with coloring. We need to start with circle shape as it is very easy for them to identify. Why I said so? Because children at this age play with a ball which is circle in shape. They eat different fruits like apple, orange, all are in circle shape. So, they see circle shaped objects in every day than any other shapes. Take a white paper, draw a circle of different shapes and ask them to color it. So the children at toddler level, nursery level, what they do only scribbling. They don't know my drawing should be in this boundary. They do scribbling, right? So in my last video, that is the video about scribbling, I explained how to control scribbling so that the drawing will not go out of the boundary. Who have not watched the video, please go and watch. And it is a reusable worksheet. Whenever you want to reuse it, please erase it with a piece of cloth and you can ask them to color it. You can give them first a small circle to color and gradually increase the size. This is all what about coloring. Now, we can also give them more circles to color. So by doing practice more, they will understand the concept of shape, the concept of circle shape more. See, while coloring, please make them to say, this is a circle. This is a circle, 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 circle. Like that, we can make them to understand circle shape more. Now, the second thing is tracing. We can give a paper, a white paper with a dotted mark for tracing. For this also, we can make a reusable paper like this. And whenever you want to erase it, please erase it and give them for tracing. For this, they will do like this. While do tracing, this is the kind of tracing. So while tracing, make them to say it's a square. It's a square, right? See, it is a reusable one. I rubbed it. It's gone, right? You can reuse it. So by tracing also, we can teach them more about shapes. Make sure while tracing or coloring, we make them to say the vocabulary. It is a square or it's a circle. You can make dotted patterns for different shapes. Here I am showing only triangle. Here I am showing square and circle. You can make triangle, pentagon, whatever it is. So ask them to trace on that. Now, the third activity we can ask them to do through Play-Doh. Play-Doh. Make a triangle shape using a Play-Doh. It will come like this. See, say this. So, using a Play-Doh, they will make a triangle. Say, Play-Doh. Play-Dohs are easily available in markets. We can ask them to make a triangle shape, whatever shape. Please baby, make a shape of square using the Play-Doh. So it will be more entertaining for them to make a square with Play-Doh. Am I right? Yes, please experience it. It will be very effective in every kid. So they will understand more. Yes, I can form a triangle like this. See, and all the shapes are made up of with this slanting lines, sleeping lines, standing lines. They won't feel much problems while doing so. Now, after this, we can ask them to form shapes using ice cream sticks. And ice cream sticks. Here you can see ice cream sticks. Now, give them a paper drawing for reference so that they can have a look while making. Suppose we are asking them to make a triangle. Please make a triangle drawing ready so that they can make triangle easily with the sticks. By doing like this, they will come to know how a triangle looks like. If you don't have sticks, please use earbuds or matchbox sticks. See, using like this. I told you, please make a triangle drawing ready so that they can easily form a triangle with ice cream sticks. And if you don't have ice cream sticks, as I told, you can use earbuds. See, using earbuds, we can make squares like this. See. Yes, they can form square. And if you don't have earbuds, everybody has matchbox in their house, right? You can use the matchbox also as well. And now, after this, we can use the next idea like shape sorters. Shape sorters are also available in market. And using this, they will understand more about shapes. We can give matching activity also in shape sort exercise, which will increase the ore strength, which I told in the beginning. What is the shape sorting? See this card. See the card. Now I am going to assemble it. See, like this, like this. Now they need to make a card using these pieces. First they will look. Yes, it is a star. Now it will go here. Yes. Now what is the shape? It's a heart shape. Where it is? Yeah, I found heart shape. See, the heart shape goes here. Now, what is this shape? Yes, it's a triangle. I found triangle over here. So, yes, this is a type of shape sorter that you can give to your toddler. So, see, we are doing it with very easy. But for them, it will be very difficult to identify each shape and match, right? And we can give this kind of shape sorters, right? See, here we can see some sticks, but different shapes also. Where will I put? I can see circle, rectangle, triangle, square and a pentagon. But where will I put that? Oh, my rectangle will goes here. No, see, I have only one stick. Yeah, my circle. My circle goes here. Right. So I put circle, circle, circle. Oh, so here where my rectangle goes. No, my rectangle. Yes. So I put all my rectangles here. And see my triangle. Yeah. It looks like a triangle. Yeah. So I am putting here. Now, where my square goes? Yeah, here. Oh, it's not fixing. What happened? Can I try here? Yes, my square goes here. Yes. Excellent. So, my pentagon automatically goes here. See, like this we can give different sorting activity with shapes. Now we can ask them to match also. Right? Here, you see here. Yeah, triangle and square. Okay? Here we will put circle and rectangle, triangle and square. Okay. So we made like this. And see here. Different shapes in different order we have arranged. We have circle, rectangle, triangle and square. Baby, can you match the different shapes? You can just give them a stick like this. You can give an ice cream stick. It will go here. Where is rectangle? Rectangle goes here. Triangle goes here. And the square goes here. So this kind of matching activity can also be given using shape sorters. Now, one more activity is there. Like sorting shapes using household object. Right? For that, you can just give a piece of paper and draw different shapes. Here I am showing a circle shape and a rectangle shape. And you can ask them, baby, can you please take what all circle shape you are able to see and put it over here on the circle, or what all rectangle shape you can see, put it over here on the rectangle. And if they are not interested to pick the certain things, we can give them different shapes and ask them to sort it. Yeah, you can ask them to sort it. Now see, what is this? It's a ball, circle. It's a remote. Come, it's rectangle shape. A phone is also rectangle shape. A cello tape, a lid. All are circle in shape and these two are rectangle in shape. See, by doing these activities which can be done easily at home with readily available things, we can make kids to know more about shapes. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please give us a like button, share and subscribe for getting further notification from our channel. This is our preschool YouTube channel. Our admission for August batch is open. Please enroll your kid today itself to get a free try. To get any further notification, you can get in touch with me in the number given below. And thank you so much for watching the video.